What's up, guys? Today we're here with the most anticipated game ever. Yes, GTA 6. This is the extended look. So let's jump in this one and see. I believe this is some gameplays as well. So let's go. Let's go. Excited?
Yo, crackheads!
I guess they know we're coming.
All right, that's the block right here. Be cool. Don't,
What?
It's nothing.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what's up? Y'all trying to smoke?
No. Y'all know Booby?
Oh,
Booby, huh?
the graphics, the detail on this is crazy, bro.
Yeah. He ain't here, though.
Well, we're picking something up for him. You know anything about that?
Yeah, go inside and ask for Raymond, bruh.
Appreciate it.
This is the trap house, bro. Crazy. Detail, the details.
Like, might have to fuck around and shake some shit, know what I'm saying? Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Man, I don't even want to hear that shit.
So this is actually gameplay, because if you look over here, you can see that it's indicating what button to press.
Like, I don't even want to
PS5.
hear that shit. Hold up, bro. Yo. Y'all need something?
Sexy red bed in the
Raymond?
background.
Nah. What you want?
Booby sent us for a pickup.
All right.
Slaughterhood Ops.
We going up.
Slaughterhood Ops, is this the name of the gang?
Right inside.
Remember that red bone shawty you was talking to? I saw her down by Prince Mark. She said she didn't know.
Said you was here for a pickup or a drop-off.
Pickup.
Chain says S4S. So maybe that's the name of the gang.
Straight up, first door on the right.
Yep.
This is the scariest place, bro.
Man.
Oh shit, you can interact with the dog.
Buddy.
You can interact directly with the dog. That's crazy.
Like everything, green light.
This has got to be the door, right?
Looks like it.
I just see that. So in GTA 5, you would have to go to the door and then it just let you in. But this one is different.
This has got to be the
You have
door,
to
right?
you have to physically
Looks
knock.
like it.
Detailed. Crazy gameplay.
What you want?
Yo, is Raymond around?
Nah, never heard of him.
Yo, we're here to pick up for Booby.
All right, hold up. Yo, Ray, these two say they for Booby?
Already told that motherfucker what the fuck going on, man. He seriously sent y'all over here right now.
We're just here to collect, man.
Why he ain't come collect? You ain't asked yourselves that.
No.
Look, we could go back empty-handed.
My partner's off the grid right now, you feel me? Until I figure out what the fuck he at and what the fuck going on, we in a holding pattern right here.
So Booby knows all this, right?
Yeah, he fucking knows. Problem is, he only worried about himself.
Like a fucking movie, bro.
Yo, phone. Let me tell y'all something. At this point, I really don't give a fuck.
Hey, pack that shit up. Yo, Ray, it's him, Ernesto.
Put on speakerphone.
Raymond,
Yo, Nesto.
Raymond.
Where the fuck you at?
Óyeme, mi hermano. We got a situation happening. My friends on the task force are on their way. They said they're paying you a visit, so just let them take whatever they want, okay?
Oh, he snitched.
Fuck you talking about? You know I got a nigga outside your mama house, right?
Raymond, listen very closely, cabrón. Raymond.
The fuck is that?
Hey.
Hey, yo, Ray, it's 12. They tooled up and everything.
Raymond.
Let's get these workers out of here, man.
Estás ahí, coño.
Go away this way.
Come on. Hey, move.
That back is the target, bro.
I've always been there for you. But this what I get?
Please, don't fucking move!
It is what
Oh,
it is,
they
my
came in
friend.
shooting.
Holy shit.
They came straight in shooting, bro.
No.
These are some dirty cops. This look crazy.
We need to find a way out. Got Booby's bricks.
Fuck Booby. You gotta get out of this.
Shotgun. Oh. This shotgun is gonna slap. I know it.
Stay with me. Move, cover.
On it.
Bombo clock. 12 gauge. Yeah. Here's some dirty cop. Ooh. Rude.
Fuck him.
Can't you fucking handle a bunch of street pushers? Hey, man, this ain't even loaded. Oh, too bad.
They're gonna kill him. Yeah.
Clear this shit out.
Because I didn't see them.
It's fucking Mendez.
Yep. You think he saw us?
No, he
Who the
couldn't.
fuck is Mendez? Who is Mendez?
Oh, coño.
Yo, they got more cops coming in from downstairs. Get in here before they get your ass.
Thanks, man.
Hey, what the fuck going on? What the fuck y'all doing in here?
You ain't hear all that outside? Now, just hold on a minute.
Hold on. You got motherfuckers running up in my house? You are not allowed to just come in here.
Mama, chill, man.
Every time I try to buy some piece of something else.
And that's my fault.
Hold on.
Every time I try to buy.
Yo, the details, bro. Like, everything right here's got the labels. They got the detail. Yo, Rockstar, yeah.
Some piece of something
Big
else.
up.
And that's my fault.
Oh, there's two options of working in a car. So you can slim jim it or smash the window. Okay. You see a tow truck in the back. This is sick. November 26th.
Hey,
Hey, Jay. I bought these. What do you think?
I can buy my own clothes, you know.
Sure you can. But would they look that good?
Yeah, okay. You know, Brian wants us there for cocktails.
Uh-huh.
You know what you're gonna wear yet?
Relax, Jay. Okay. What do you think?
Sequins?
Sequins?
Okay, the other one.
There's
You
no
know
help.
what you're wearing right now looks pretty
That's what
good, so
That's what she's
when I
thinking.
head out, I don't want to be late.
Yeah, all right. Just give me a few seconds.
Lucia's a handful, bro. Hurry up. See ya. Oh, shit. Okay, you can interact with these. Okay, you can interact and go pick up what you actually need from the fridge. So it's not like it's GTA 5 where it just gives you a random drink. You can pick what you want from. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's detailed right there.
Does life feel hopeless?
As very
Constantly
as
searching for a way out. Luckily for you, those days are over thanks to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Ah, the great outdoors. Nature's playground. A carnival of infinite possibilities. Overflowing with creatures great and small. Magnificent and proud.
I'm not gonna lie. Some of these vegetations and animals look a bit like Red Dead 2. Not gonna lie.
Hungry? Not anymore. Mouth-watering meats from the open range. Topped off with our world-famous buns.
That's a nice.
Ready.
Damn, worth the wait.
This game is gonna be fucking crazy, bro. Literally. This game is gonna be crazy.
Here we go. Finally.
Okay. Your wound up a little tight. What's up?
Nothing. I just don't like being late.
We're not that late.
Brian's doing us a favor, you know? You need this intro.
I get it.
You know, doing some deep fucking shit.
I get that too. Who is this guy? You know, besides Brian's old cellmate.
I know as much as you. Cal might have said he was like former Dominican intelligence or something.
Damn.
What?
Just kind of wish we weren't running late.
Really? Oh.
What? I didn't know all this. Relationships are about
This is like one of the old
communication,
M3,
Jay.
right?
Sure.
This car is like one of the old
I'm
M3s.
Where you at, my city girl?
Yeah.
Where fucking shit?
Ooh, kick ass.
What the hell are you doing?
You seeing this? Well, look who's back.
This is big robberies.
What?
Sometimes I'm just more comfortable when I have to use a gun, you know?
Just be charming, okay?
Yeah.
And don't worry about Brian. Dude's retired. I mean, look at Lori's Snapmatic. Looks like
This
they're
is the
loving
rooftop settings. Be like
They
GTA.
are at the bar.
Be like GTA 5.
Oh, my God, as I live and breathe, look at the two of you.
Hey, Lori. It's good to see you, Brian.
Uh-huh.
Oh, come here, give us a hug. I told Brian I thought you two were both dead for sure. Now, what have you gotten yourselves into? I want to know everything.
I don't know what this is.
Look, I was just sightseeing with my girl.
The tourists carry these.
Shut up!
Oh, shit.
This is so fucked. Well, Brian was quite the stud back in the day.
Was. Wait.
Yo.
What's up?
A job, it has to be done tonight.
Tonight?
He wants it on the quiet, huh? He only wants one of you.
Well,
You know,
I don't mind.
I mean,
If you wanted to.
I'm gonna go. Enjoy your dinner, guys. I'll be back for dessert.
Well, I'll walk you out. I need the ladies.
Yeah, let's take in the view. I never get to smoke weed in front of Lori. Ever tell you about the fairground rolled into my hometown when I was a kid?
I don't think so.
They had bale mazes and Ferris wheels. Hell, it was the highlight of the goddamn summer for us kids.
Everybody, hands so we can see them!
And they had this beautiful carousel. One night we snuck in,
Wrong place, wrong
and
time.
a buddy of mine, he got it working.
Look what the law chased in.
What was the fight scene?
United, baby. Then he cranked the speed up so fast that we thought we was flying. It started going faster.
You know what I'm hoping? I'm hoping that we don't have to do missions to actually do robberies, like bank robberies and stuff like that. I'm just hoping that they take a lot of stuff from 5M and actually put into the game, like those ideas. That would be good.
Faster, and it's getting harder to hold on. And I said, well, shit, that ain't good. And I fucking jumped. Jimmy Canto stayed on, cracked his head open, died that night.
You got a point?
Yeah. You gotta know when to get off, Jason. You hear me? Now, let's head back.
Everybody wanna say where they been.
Hey.
Hey, got this Raul guy's car and heading to the address he gave.
Nice. On my way.
Yo, so
what I noticed as well. Let me get myself over here. Hold on. Let me. Which one is it? Okay, let me just take myself off the screen for a minute. What I do notice is the map is a lot wider and it looks different
I've been thinking,
than
and
GTA 5.
I don't think we should tell him about, our troubles. Not just yet.
Well, that was the whole point of this.
Look, he could sell us out. Or
think
put a
that's
bullet
great.
through our heads. I mean, seriously, what reason do we have to trust this guy?
All right. So how do you want to play it?
Slow play. Just say, hi, nice to meet you, here's your car, where's our payment? Please let us know about any further criminal opportunities.
Okay. See you there.
Yep.
You miss me?
I've been busy. You gonna text this guy? The dude could be a cop for all we know.
Eddie's not a cop, all right? He's just cautious. That's probably why he survived so long. We can learn something.
Maybe you could.
Yeah, you're the perfect criminal.
Jason, Lucia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta go.
Go?
Yeah, go. Like right fucking now.
This guy.
You think I needed a lift for?
This fucking guy, bro.
He's cautious, right?
Vamos, vamos, maldita loca el diablo. Enséñame clase de chofera tú eres.
He's excited, nigga.
Hey, bro, get your ass back here, man.
Huh?
Come on, you gotta hold these fuckers off.
Oh, okay.
Got a little something for you to play with. Here, you take this.
This is actually gameplay.
Getting crowded here.
Oh, shit, okay.
I'm gonna punch through to the freeway.
Also,
Negative. Stay low.
also, it's not 5-star anymore. It's 6 stars. It's 6 stars. So it's not 5 stars anymore. Wow. Okay.
Hey, hang on.
Don't get us trapped in here, Lou.
No. This is good. Keep cutting through. Back up into this alley here.
Okay.
Get away. So easy from 4-star?
That's
Hell no.
it.
Hell no.
Good. How about we just chill here for a minute?
Hell no, you got away from 4-star so easy, Lucia.
You want me to take the wheel?
What? No.
Look, you think everything always goes as planned, huh? No, mommy, no. There will always be some kind of bullshit. A professional adapts. Are you a professional, Lucia? Huh?
Of course.
Good. I need a professional.
Oh, here we go.
I see him.
I think he saw us too.
There
Let's
we
go.
go. Okay, so now you drive. Oh, you can switch characters. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, for the ladies. Woo! Normally on GTA 5, if you're driving, the thing on the minimap would actually moves, but this one doesn't move as well.
It's fucking real now.
One thing I noticed.
Don't have eyes on suspect's vehicle.
Okay, out.
Still 4 stars.
Don't leave anything in here.
Oh, you can torch it. Okay. No evidence. That's great. Let me just go back and see something a minute. The inventory looks nice.
Okay, out. Don't leave anything in here.
Yeah, the inventory looks real nice. Obviously on GTA 5 it's like a wheel, but this one is like, yeah, it looks nice.
All right, Jason. We're cargo.
Copy.
Maybe some warning next time?
What should I tell you to put in your calendar? Friday morning, bank robbery. Come on.
We passed the test?
You did fine. We're still alive.
Woo! Scenery, boy! Crazy.
This could be the start of something good. Keep your phones on. Oh, mamita.
Is it like the new Lester?
Oh, hey.
Is it like the new Lester of GTA 5?
Baby, I need to see it.
Does this mean we're in his crew?
Yeah, I think so.
You think he can help us?
We don't have any better ideas, do we? Where are we?
Back in Bayside.
Want to take a look around?
Wow. The water.
So I came into you, sweet lady.
Crazy. We're in the gym.
Crystal
What is he doing? What is he doing? Hey! What are you doing? You know what he's doing.
Yo, Jay, what's happening, baby? What's up, Looney? What's up, girl?
I think this guy's gonna be a proper character. Ass everywhere. Ooh, street racing. This will be good. I don't think any GTA before this having the street races like this, right? Like during normal gameplay. Oh, robbery.
Let's try to keep it clean.
Get hell with you!
So through the store.
Hey, I'm watching.
Cops are on their way.
Holy shit! Who the fuck are you?
What the fuck is this?
Oh, the truck challenge! Wait, did you steal my friend's car?
He's live.
Yeah.
Holy shit, Chad! What do I do?
Jesus.
Look! Look!
Motherfucker live.
They're chasing us.
Great. More races. That's nice. Okay, you can just switch character just like that. You can just switch character just like that. Okay. I love it. Too bad. The map is fucking big. The map is so big. That's nice. You can switch character. So she's skydiving, and what is he doing?
I bet you'd be real good at battle rapping, dog.
Oh, yeah?
Lucia, Jason, come take a seat. I'm waiting on the ETA for the flight.
Can I get you anything? Tea, coffee, champagne?
3 more champagnes, thank you.
Be right back.
Trust me, a slight buzz will only help you.
So Val, I know it's a party, but we are working, right?
The job is Andres de Leon. Protect him, but keep him in line. Gas him up, boost his ego, make him feel good about himself.
Babysit.
Hey, there's a sight for sore eyes. Tina, what's up, chula?
Andres! It's been forever. How is everything?
Oh, I mean, it's been nonstop.
Lucia, Jason, please meet Andres de Leon.
Sorry, guys, I'm a hugger. Come in here, get in here.
Oh,
yes, all right. Beautiful. Yes, gorgeous. All right, strong. Good job.
Should we go, gentlemen?
You guys, you the driver?
Sure.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
All right, we're good.
All right, fuck it. You ready for this party, bro?
I don't know, maybe.
All right. What do you mean, baby?
I'm ready for a party. I don't know about this
Alright.
party.
What's this?
Okay.
Hey, driver, what was your name again?
Rolls Royce. The song choices are fire.
Here we go.
Welcome. How's your flight, sir?
Yeah, real good time. Hey, those waitresses were all NDA, yeah?
The flight attendants? Yes, of course.
He ate after the
We're working on bodyguard for him.
And you guys got our room sorted.
Yes, it's all ready for you. 24th floor executive conference room.
Perfect! Let's go freshen up, bro.
Let's do it.
Hey, honey, so a couple of Alonso's producers' friends are in town, and we're gonna do a deep dive into my creative roadmap. So we up in the conference room doing a little business hand, think tank stuff, okay?
Seriously? Right now?
Yeah, baby, you snooze, you lose.
Increíble. Petra, can I introduce you to Andres' new security detail, Jason and Lucia? This is Petra Navarro, COO of Megamundo.
Yes, good.
Can I take you up?
Yes, please, let's go. I don't want to spend the whole night in the lobby. Let him do what he does. Then I want him down here, okay?
You got it.
Buenas noches, señoras.
Gustavo,
You know she's gonna go
I
wrong.
want
I
you to
just
meet
knew it. I just know it.
She's part of the new security
Shit's gonna
detail
go
I
wrong.
hired for Andres.
Wherever these two go, shit's go wrong. This game is sick, man. Crazy.
Some security guy just took my guns.
It's a good thing you're good with your hands. These guys seem to have it covered. We should be fine.
Okay.
Here I come. A private meeting. Don't come in.
Hey, Andres.
Whoa, hey, it's okay. He's my guy. Hey, buddy. Just christening the new building.
Hey, man.
Oh, sorry to interrupt.
Hey, man, can you run and get us a bottle of tequila? Some sparkling water, a few beers. You know, just a selection of shit to drink, yeah? Thanks, buddy. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so they just called and asked me to bring you down to the party now? Petra wants you. There's some big speech happening.
No, fuck that shit. Fuck that.
Sorry, hard pass. Man, we're on a roll here, Frontal cortex is in overdrive. I mean, how many ideas did I just have in the last 5 minutes, bro?
So many, bro. So fucking many.
It's like the band's back together and I just met these fucking guys.
Come on, guys.
Hello, everyone. I just want to thank you all for coming here tonight to join us in celebrating the opening of Megamundo's first corporate headquarters on American soil. But we all did this together, as a family.
What the fuck? I knew it. I knew something was gonna go wrong.
Protect the asset!
Headshot.
Give me the phone.
Who am I gonna call? I'm not stupid.
Hi, guys. How's it going down there?
Who the fuck is this?
We'll talk more later, okay?
¿Qué carajo? Tenemos un problema. ¡Mierda, granada!
Nice distraction, Jay. A bit dramatic.
You're welcome. I'm going upstairs. He's got Andres.
Shit. Okay, I'm on my way.
Come on, Lucia. Show us what you got, girl.
I don't know, man. They don't tell me shit. Jacob!
You know what I noticed as well, yeah? Up by the top, the let me see. His health is a bit like GTA 4. That's great. Yeah, man, the health bar is a bit like GTA 4. Oh, it's got special ability as well. That's what Trevor had in GTA 5, right?
Hurts, right? Try wearing a bitch.
Wow.
Might not feel like it, but these are your glory days. The salad years, Nothing is gonna beat who you are now. You can't see all the fucked up shit that's looming on the horizon.
Wow.
Enjoy this,
Wow.
dude. If this right now was all that there is, all the time, it would be perfect.
Detail.
Trust me.
Fucking wow.
You wanna dance, you don't know how to get it on the floor, man. Don't hold back for anyone. Close your eyes, just follow the inner light. You can't
Captured on PS5. I'm wondering though, how good is the FPS gonna be on a PS5? At Rockstar, we need PC. We need PC, man. We need PC. But overall, this game is wow. Yeah. For me, it felt like the game was playing in probably about 30 FPS. But I'm sure this can goes up to like 60 or something. So yeah, bro, this game is gonna be record breaking, bro. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Let me know if you guys are interested in it. Let me know if you guys are definitely getting it. I need to go and buy my PS5 Pro, and I need to set it up for streaming because I will be streaming this game. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll catch you guys in the comment. All right, peace.